It looks like you're in geography. You're flying. How are you doing that?
Bro!
You mean the gravity glitch?
Yes.
Oh, you have to just search it up. It's much easier if you search it up. It's a cool glitch you can do. It's harmless because you know it's a game glitch. You have nothing to do with it. You know? Like you can do it, you won't be banned because you know it's their fault if they make something wrong, you know.
Stay completely still. I'm a balance on your head. Like on my head.
Yeah, it's their fault if they do something wrong. Goodbye.
Well, bye.
This is harder than I thought going.
Look what I found.
The heck?
Look what I found.
I'm a zero gravity glitcher.
They're all
Can you
three
guys
right
move?
there.
Oh, what the hell? There you go. I found key card. They listen! They listen! It's way over there. It's over there. It's over there. Go get it. Oh no! Why are you doing that?
Doing what?
I killed you again, bro.
Hey, well, it's over here.
Monkey Marathon, let's go!
Where you think you're going, baby? Bro, I really want them to
How do you get into the vents?
Go out of my way.
spiders from the road.
Hey! Oh my god!
Why are you stopping? Move, bro, just move! Can't you just move? What? Who just said Doyang? Who the hell just said Doyang? Who the fuck just said Doyang? Hey, come here, snap. Come here. Doyang. Doyang. Bring Chinny! Bring Chinny! Wayo, bring Chinny!
Lena Gamer?
I said, where should I put my shoes? Anyamor, anyamor. Say, put them on your head. Anyamor, anyamor. Make me un poco loco, un poco chiquito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. Guys, Monkey Marathon, look at me.
Stop touching me! Stop touching me! Great, stop touching me!
Shut up, bro. You sound like a freaking 1-year-old, bro. Watch this. I think your name is saying how old you are.
Oh yeah, that's my name.
That's not your name. That's your age. Come on, get him. Nah, bro, I'm already leaving. This is much harder. Bro, the zero gravity glitch makes you harder, bro. This makes it so much harder.
Hard? What?
I mean, it makes it harder, you know. That's not it.
Another low gravity.
It makes the game much harder to play. Damn, guys, why are you so fast? Come on, bro. You don't have no time. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing. Make me un poco loco.
touching me.
The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm yesing.
Yo, can you die so we can do Monkey Marathon?
No.
Wait for me. Hey,
Yes,
you.
but there's like
Said
5
no.
people and
Zero
there's
gravity.
like 5 people and no
Hey,
grab, bro.
stay for me. Stay for me. Wait.
Come on, bro, actually.
Where do we go?
Clown, right, stone.
I think that way.
Dad, you Here, get closer
Just
to
throw
them.
yourself into
I'll-
them.
Just
I'll
die.
Run to the back.
Die, bro.
I'll run to the. I'll run to the
Bro,
back
just
wall
die.
if you get closer to them.
Please.
No.
I'll give you a kiss.
I don't.
Oh my god.
No. But somebody get him over here, bro.
Yeah, exactly, Ken.
Bro, how do we dying?
The zero gravity thing makes it so harder for me.
I know.
Can't even move, bro. Can't even move in Ohio.
You have to. No,
Can't even
no,
have
that's
a
lot.
Ohio. That's
Wait, boy.
no, it's a glitch.
Go. No.
Ah, he thinks that I
He's
have more.
coming. He's coming.
No, he doesn't. No, he doesn't. He's a moderator. I don't have my mom anywhere.
He's a moderator. Hey, you don't.
Well, then don't do it, fag.
So dumb.
He's right there.
They block people when they kill them.
It's a glitch.
Yep, he is right there.
Use zero gravity.
Oh, going. I just going on my going.
See you tomorrow.
Alright, in the
Oh, we
this
got
way.
two of them. Where's the red one?
Save me!
Why is red down here then?
Come here, Blue. Come here.
Oh my
Come here,
God.
boys. Come here.
What?
Ooh.
Let me
No,
in.
take him to the door. Take him to the door. Come here.
I blocked like so much people and they died.
Oh.
Guys, get ready.
No!
Nah, bro, you're blind or something? There was red right there, bro. Why y'all ain't ready?
Bro!
Oh,
Get better. Okay, guys,
snap!
chill out, chill out. Let me get him.
Chihuahua,
Get ready,
bro.
get ready. Go in the hallway. When I say
Nah,
go,
bro, I'm already
I go there
leaving,
as
bro.
well.
Nah.
Go, come on. Okay, 3,
We already gone, bro. Just go already.
5,
No! Damn, bro, he was literally standing there to kill us, bro.
Move, fag.
Yo, we're the zero gravity troop.
What do I do?
Bro,
I'm not using mods.
yo,
Me
I
too.
don't think any of us asked if you were, man. Yes, exactly.
Oh
You
no.
don't have mods, you just have
Oh my god! Freaking fat
Just
body!
because I said the N-word in real life.
Okay, guys, go in.
Wait,
Bring them to me. Bring them to me.
I don't care.
Bring them to me.
Okay.
Jamal.
Jamal.
The one who said Jamal.
Okay, I got them. Go
Wait.
in.
Wait.
When I
I-
say go, we run.
In a private server.
3,
Nah, bro, I'm already out.
2,
What?
1.
What do you mean?
I'm out of this world.
I'm on. Listen,
My God. No way. All of that for nothing.
We just saw them. Cucumber. Cucumber. Oh, cucumber. Cucumber.
Help me. I'm floating.
I'm not doing
Cucumber.
that. Why would y'all do that?
Cucumber.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Get ready.
Come on, get him. Get him.
Wait. Hold up. Wait.
He's all yours. Just go over there.
Ah,
Go over there. So nobody will
I just ran the whole marathon. Wait. No, he's not coming. He ain't coming. Wait. Hold up. Is he gonna chase? Oh wait. He's running so fast.
One of you guys blocked me. One of you guys blocked me, and I hate that. I mean, to be honest, I
Somebody
could've
go
two
get him,
people.
guys. Somebody go get him. Wait, Jerry,
How
Jerry,
we got
where's
him?
Jerry? I need Jerry to get him.
I got you. I got you. I got
You,
you.
because your name is Jerry, bro. What the,
Bruh.
what, who the fuck named their kid Jerry, bro? Jerry, go.
I'm Jamal. Jamal.
You're white, bro. You're literally white. You're literally white, bro. I can literally smell it. Bro, like, Jerry?
I'll go get monkey.
No,
I'll
fuck,
go get
bro.
monkey.
Jerry, go. Jerry, you
I will
got
go
them?
get.
Like, Jerry said, Jerry.
Guys, this time, everybody has low gravity glitch, and
Okay.
Bro, I'm staying right here, bro. This is my security line right here. Can't you see it?
you can't go through.
I'm not going further than this line. Bro, imagine him popping up behind us.
I'd be dead.
No, I'd be dead in real life. I'd be dead in real life.
He'd be dead in the real life.
Nobody's behind you, Jerry. Jerry, you're such a gay person, bro. Nobody's behind you. Why are you running away, bro? You gay or something? He's running away,
Guys,
but
get
nobody's
him.
behind him.
Okay.
Exactly.
Nah, bro. You all wanna die?
No, someone's coming with me or not.
You
Okay,
get him.
let's go.
Actually,
I've been doing this forever.
Good job.
I
Good job.
always do this. Oh no, my controller. My stupid controllers. I hate when they do this. Look.
I'm coming. Go.